Imagine a world where an AI assistant is constantly by your side. It listens to your questions. It provides helpful answers. This is the promise of Google AI Studio. It can revolutionize how we work and learn. Google AI Studio offers a glimpse into this future. It uses cutting-edge technology. It makes real-time interaction with AI a reality. It can recognize and interpret images, languages, and locations. Prepare yourself to explore the exciting world of real-time streaming. Let's dive in. Real-time streaming is like having a conversation with Google AI Studio. It's an interactive experience where your input is met with immediate responses, creating a seamless flow of information and assistance. You provide input, and it responds instantly. This instant feedback loop is crucial for productivity, especially when working on complex tasks. Imagine working on a coding project and hitting a roadblock. The frustration can be overwhelming, and finding a solution might take hours or even days. With real-time streaming, you can ask Google AI Studio for help. Simply voice your query or type it in, and you'll get immediate assistance. It will analyze your code and offer solutions in real time. This not only saves time but also enhances your learning process by providing instant feedback. But it's not just about coding. Real-time streaming can monitor a game you are playing and give suggestions. Real-time streaming can assist with various tasks. Whether you're writing an article, conducting research, or managing a project, the possibilities are vast. You can get help with writing, brainstorming, and organizing your thoughts more effectively, or even learning a new language. The possibilities are endless. Real-time streaming opens up a world of opportunities, making tasks easier and more efficient. Ready to experience the power of real-time streaming? Accessing it is incredibly easy. On your computer, simply open your web browser. Go to studio.google.com. Log into your Google account. From there, navigate to the Stream Real-Time section. On your mobile phone, the process is just as simple. Open your browser, go to studio.google.com, and log in. You'll find the Stream Real-Time option. Section 4. Unveiling the Powerhouse, Key Features and Benefits. In this section, we will explore the groundbreaking features and the immense benefits that Google AI Studio brings to the table. Google AI Studio is packed with features that are designed to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. It utilizes the latest Gemini 2.0 Flash technology, which is at the forefront of innovation. This makes it fast, powerful, and incredibly versatile, capable of handling a wide range of tasks with ease. Here are some key features. Multimodal Live API, which allows seamless integration across various platforms. This allows for natural interaction, making it easier for users to communicate with their devices. You can combine text, audio, and even video, providing a rich and immersive experience. Speed and performance. Studio can look at a political cartoon and analyze the humor in it, or analyze any photo or live stream or location. Interactions feel instantaneous. Delays are minimal, ensuring a smooth user experience. Improved agentic capabilities. Google AI Studio can understand complex tasks and provide relevant assistance, making it a valuable tool for developers and users alike. New modalities. Future updates will include image generation and text-to-speech capabilities, expanding the possibilities even further. Google Gen AI SDK. Developers can create custom applications using the API, tailoring solutions to meet specific needs. This opens up a world of possibilities, fostering innovation and collaboration in the tech community. Section 5. Real-world wonders. Use cases of real-time streaming. In this section, we will explore the incredible applications of real-time streaming technology and how it is transforming various fields. The applications of real-time streaming are vast and exciting. From education to entertainment and from business to personal productivity, real-time streaming is making a significant impact. Here are a few examples. Live Code Tutor. Imagine having a tutor available at any time to help you with coding challenges. This is now possible with real-time streaming. Stuck on a coding problem? Google AI Studio can help you debug and learn new techniques. It provides instant solutions and explanations, making learning more efficient. Creative brainstorming. Get instant feedback and suggestions for your creative projects, whether you are designing, writing, or brainstorming. Real-time streaming tools. Studio AI can monitor a game you are playing or designing and make suggestions. Practice your language skills with real-time feedback on pronunciation and grammar. This makes language learning more interactive and effective, as you can correct mistakes on the spot and improve faster. GoogleAIStudio is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to enhance their productivity and creativity. It integrates seamlessly with various applications, making it a versatile choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Try it for free and see the difference it can make. Experience the future of real-time streaming and unlock new possibilities in your work and personal projects.
Like, share and subscribe. Check description for some great links.